Welcome to this short video on how to read your monthly UNCW student e-bill statement. E-bill is your UNCW student account online. Understanding your statement will help you to better identify the charges and credits on your account and how the balance due was derived. Let's get started. After logging on to e-bill, you are at the e-bill homepage. In the middle of the screen, there is always a link to your latest e-bill statement and the date it was generated. To get to your most current statement or any previous e-bill statement, simply click on the tab E-Statements. You are now on the e-statements screen. This screen is where you can view all of your e-statements, not only for the latest semester, but for all of the semesters you have attended UNCW. A complete financial and historical record is available. The pull-down box lists all the e-statement dates. We'll select our current statement by clicking on the Select button. Your most current e-bill is now displayed. This is your official UNCW student account statement. You can use this to submit to your employer for reimbursement purposes. You can also print the statement by hitting Control-P. There are many pieces of important information on your e-bill. Let's take a look at each piece. On the top left, we have UNCW specific information. This is UNCW student account's official address and zip code. If you're going to send a payment check or any other correspondence to us, please use the address here exactly as shown to ensure prompt and timely delivery of your payment to our office. Also listed are our web links to our FAQs, our email address, and Teal Pay program email address. On the top right of the statement is general billing information such as the bill print date, your UNCW student ID number, the term this bill is for, and the date on which the bill is due. Next, on the left side, is your name and your official UNCW mailing address as you gave to us on your UNCW application. If this address is incorrect, please log into CNET and go to your personal profile to correct it. The next section lists your current schedule as of the e-statement print date. It's possible you have added or dropped classes, but this is the schedule you are currently being billed for. Any changes to your schedule and billing will appear on your next monthly statement. In the middle left section is an itemized breakdown of all current charges based on your class schedule above and other current charges from around campus and the total of all these charges. Notice that your semester's tuition is broken down into three parts: the actual tuition itself, and then the mandatory fees, and then the Ed and Tech fees. Your tuition is based on the number of hours you take and whether you are registered as a North Carolina resident or non-resident for tuition purposes. Here we see that Sammy is a North Carolina resident undergraduate taking a full-time load of hours. If Sammy was a non-resident, you would see the code NRESUG, which would signify that Sammy is considered residing out of state for tuition purposes. If you would like more information about the various mandatory and Ed and Tech fees shown, you can find a complete breakdown and description of these fees on the student account website. In the middle right are your current credits. These credits may be from payments you have made since your last monthly statement or from financial aid that has or will be posted to your account. The credits are then totaled. Next, you see displayed on the bottom left your current term charges and any unpaid prior term charges on your account. Next, on the bottom right is your current balance due, if any. This is the sum of your current term charges plus any prior term charges minus any payments and or financial aid posted to your account. This is the amount due by the e-bill due date. If you see a negative amount, do not pay this. This is a credit balance. If no other charges go onto your account, then this or any credit balance will be refunded to you. Before leaving the e-statement screen, there's one more thing to look at. On the bottom portion of the screen, you see the Account Activity Since Last Statement panel. Here you will see any charges and credits, such as the payment on May 19th, posted to your account since this e-statement was uploaded. These new charges and credits will appear on your next monthly e-statement. However, students do not have to pay for any charges or credits, including financial aid, that have been posted after the last billing statement. To always be safe when asking yourself how much I need to pay at the due date, students should pay the lesser amount of either the statement amount or the current balance. Again, if the balance has a minus sign next to it, this indicates a credit to you. Do not pay this amount.